someone could see me just once.
Look at him! What a fun little kitten!
Go get yourself some real clothes.
This world looks so beautiful, but not for me.
Laugh if you want, I will not give up! One day, I will change my life with my own hard work.
You are very hard-working little one, huh?
Thank you. I will do my best. Slowly but surely.
Hard work never lies.
Is that him?
I did not change to impress others. I changed because I believed in myself.